Hi my friends. Yes, uh, today I am going to start new topic. Like its name is the uh, Python for data science. This is like a new syllabus. Here I am going to cover the Python libraries. Like which libraries I am going to cover. We'll see here. NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and extra. Okay, in this tutorials I am going to cover complete what are the things required for as a good data scientist to become the good data scientist. Okay, so I am going to cover all those things. First, today we will start with NumPy libraries. NumPy is numerical Python. NumPy is stand for NumPy stands for numerical Pythons. Okay, if you see my notes here I discuss about see NumPy is Python libraries. First of all, it is used to perform complex mathematical operations. Okay, if you see here, to perform complex mathematical operations. Okay, it written in the C language and Python language. Okay, Python is best suitable for data science because of also one of the good libraries like NumPy. Okay, NumPy stands for numerical Pythons. NumPy libraries define several functions to solve complex mathematical problem in data science, machine learning, deep learning, etc. Okay, in concept here, how can we install the NumPy? There is several way. Okay, think as the freshers. Okay, NumPy, just we have to write pip install NumPy. It will be installed. Okay, let's see. In my side, it's already installed, so it will say requirement is already satisfied. Pip install NumPy. See. Requirement is already satisfied here. Now here will do here. Okay, so just type here Python. See, so first we have to import. This is a one external library. It's not coming in built. Okay, just import NumPy as np. Okay, we import it. Okay, so let me create the arrays. Okay, a is equal to take one list. Okay, 10, 20, 30. Okay, in print a, come and check the type of a. See, list will come. Okay, class is list. Okay, fine. In the now we are going to create the arrays. Okay, so take one variables as b. Okay, it's equal to np dot array is one functions to create the arrays. Okay, and the arrays of a of this list. I'm going to convert to create the one arrays. Okay, now print the b, coming array of b. Okay, now we print the type. See, type of b. Okay, and the arrays type. Okay, now this is a 1D area. Okay, we can check how to check the dimension of the arrays, like b dot n dimension. Okay, see, one dimension is coming. If you want to check the size, then here we can check the size b dot size. See, size is coming 3 because number of element is 3 size. Okay, here also you can check the shape b dot shape. See, 3 shape is 3. Okay, this is a small things to create the NumPy array. How can we create the array in NumPy? Okay, next we will start in the next topic. We have to start in. We will do lot here, but anyhow we have to start. So it normal is basic. Just you can install the NumPy here and see, I'm not able to copy paste here, I don't know why, but let's see, but we can, but from next sessions we'll use the Jupyter here. Okay, Jupyter, nothing, just we have to install Jupyter. Step how to install Jupyter notebook. I am using the Ubuntu. Okay, so just we have just pip install Jupyter. Okay, something, if you want, then we can visit in the website. Here you will find the link and you will be able to install pip install. Okay, then how to run the Jupyter notebook, we'll see here in the below somewhere. You will find this command to run here, to run the notebook, Jupyter notebook. If you type in the terminals, then it will run like this. See, already I am running this one. Okay, if you run this one, then like this will open. Okay, we'll see here everything's okay. From here you can write import NumPy as NP. Okay, now we'll take a is equal to ndarrays. Okay, 10, 20, 30. Okay, let me take 2D array. Okay, 2 list. Yeah, it's much easy. Array is nothing but collection of homogeneous element in same time. Okay, see, 40, 50 and 60 here. Now will be equal to np dot array is the function. Okay, we'll discuss about the element, what are the element is there. Just a, put a. Okay, and print b value. Okay, you want in the next line here. Okay, then b. I hope you are strong in the Python. Okay, basic Python here. Let's see, same here we can check the size, print dimension. Okay, we'll check the dimension, b dot and dim. You'll see 2 dimension is there. If you'll check the shape, 2 by 3, print shape. If you see the shape, b dot shape, see 2 by 3, 2 row and 3 columns. Okay guys, and if you also you want to check the of size. Okay, how many elements is there, means 3 into 2 and 6 element is there. Let's see b dot size. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay guys, and if you want to check the type, see type, see type of b, see sorry, see one error is coming here, name errors, name print and is not defined. Okay, so spelling is mistake mainly. See, now and the error is coming. Okay, and this is the completely about the, not completely, just I show how to create that and the array by using NumPy. Yeah, in later it's called matrix. Yeah, if you learn, if you see in the 12th, 10th, in the basic level matrix we learn, so we can perform the complex problem. We can solve the complex problem through NumPy mainly. Okay, if you see the how did they install, what is an array, already I told you is collection of homogeneous data element. Okay, but array I can create the there is in Python there is no any specific library, means Python is not coming and will support with the for NumPy for arrays. Okay, so we have to do explicitly, we have to, there is 2 ways. One is by using array module, but this is not recommended because here we can't perform complex mathematical things. Okay, no, array module is not recommended, but to use the much library support in the available. Okay, something is there. Okay, and by using NumPy module you can create. Okay, then we had some Python versus Python list versus NumPy array. See what is the similarities. both can be used to store the data. Both can be used to store the data. Okay, both are okay. And the order will be reserved in the both type. Hence, we can access the element by using indexes. Slicing is applicable for both. Both are mutable. Mutable means once we create the list, we can change it elements. Okay, difference is there. List is the inbuilt data type, but NumPy array is not inbuilt. To use NumPy array, we have to install an input explicitly. Okay, list can hold heterogeneous means different types of element. Okay, but array can hold only homogeneous elements. Okay, like integer means integers, float means float. Yeah, but there is option in advanced levels. Okay, that is also we are going to discuss. Okay. On array, we can perform the vector operators. Okay. The operation operate on every element the arrays. On vector operators means say let's go on the Jupyter. Okay, again I am copy this one. Okay, see, let me use here. Okay, use 2D array. Okay, this is okay. Now vector print b plus 2 1. See, 2b plus 2 will added in the each element. See here. What is the problem? Sorry, yeah, syntax errors. See, import. First we have to import spelling was a mistake. See, are you getting? Before was, let me print the a also. Print a. Print after performing the vector operators. Okay, this is before and after. See, before was this one. Print the b. Okay, in the arrays. Okay, we'll see. See, before was this one. See, can perform the operators. Okay, plus minus everything's okay. Can perform what is called expansions, power operators. See here. See, are you getting me? But in that list, but we see this is a list. Okay, print a plus 2. In list it can't allow. Okay, but in the NumPy we can. Okay, see the error is coming. One type error, can only concatenate list but not integer. Okay, only list to list. Okay, but not integers. This is the problem. Okay, that is the meaning of that lines. I hope you understood here. Okay, array consume less memory compared with list. Yeah, obviously, because this is NumPy is super fast. Okay, array is super fast compared with CRC, and array super and NumPy array more convenient to use while performing the mathematical operation. Yeah, as we told before. See, in creation of NumPy array. NumPy array contains several functions to create the ND array based on our requirement. Okay, lot of is there. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow in next sessions. Array, arrange, linspace, zeros, ones, full, identity, empty, and random library function, rand int, rand uniform, rand and normal and shuffle. Okay, shuffling. Okay, this all are there. Lot of will cover in the next videos, guys. Okay, so thank you, and please like and share and subscribe this channels to get more update. Okay, thank you so much.